Good morning, all of you. Myself, Jyoti Sharma, and today I am present here with the topic of grammar, noun. What is noun? As we all know, noun is the name of any person, place, animal, or things. Or we can say that everything which we knows by the name is called noun. इस दुनिया में हम जिस भी चीज़ को उसके नाम से जानते हैं वो सभी चीज़ें नाउन कहलाती हैं, चाहे वो नाम एक पर्सन का हो, प्लेस का हो, एनिमल या फिर थिंग्स का हो. स्टूडेंट्स, देयर आर 5 काइंड्स ऑफ नाउन. फर्स्ट इज प्रॉपर नाउन, सेकेंड कॉमन नाउन, थर्ड इज कलेक्टिव नाउन, फोर्थ इज मटेरियल नाउन, and the fifth is abstract noun. Today we will read about the 3 types of noun: proper, common and collective noun. Let's read about the first kind of noun, proper noun. What is proper noun? Name of specific person, place, animal or things are called proper noun. Means when we know about a person, place, animal or things by its name are called proper noun. जब भी किसी चीज के बारे में हम उसके नाम से उसको जानते हैं तो वो सारी चीजें क्या कहलाती हैं? प्रॉपर नाउन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राम, रवि, उत्तराखंड, इंडिया, रेनॉल्ड्स, बजाज, टफी, ताजमहल, इंडिया गेट, etc. Let's understand these examples with the help of sentences. First is, Ram and Ravi are my cousin. Here, Ram and Ravi are the name of person. So these both are proper noun. Second is, Uttarakhand is the state of India. Here, Uttarakhand and India are the name of place. So these both are proper noun. Next is, I have Reynolds pen. Reynolds is the name of a thing. So it is also proper noun. My pet's name is Tuffy. Tuffy is representing here the name of an animal. So Tuffy is also proper noun. Taj Mahal and India Gate are famous monuments. Taj Mahal and India Gate are the name of the building, which are proper noun. Students, have you noticed all the yellow words in the black box start with the capital letter? Yes, you are thinking right. Proper noun always start with the capital letter, so it's very easy to recognize them. But now you will think, in the third sentence and the fourth, I and my is also start with the capital letter. Then why these are not proper noun? Because I and my both are not the name of anything. In fact, these are pronouns. We will study about them later. Now let's find out the proper noun from these sentences. Students, I'll give you time to think and you will give the answer. Okay? First is, Rajiv is my brother. What is the proper noun here? Yes, Rajiv is right answer. Miss Rosie is my teacher. Right, Miss Rosie is proper noun. I live in Haridwar. Correct, Haridwar is right answer. They have seen Jurassic Park. Right, Jurassic Park is proper noun. And the last is, English is my favorite subject. Absolutely right. English is proper noun. Let's move to the another kind of noun, common noun. What is common noun? Name of category of a person, place, animal or things are called common noun. Students, there are lots of things which we don't know about them by their name. But can't we able to recognize them? ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जिनको हम उनके नाम से नहीं जानते, तो क्या हम ये भी पता नहीं कर पाते हैं कि वो क्या है? Let's understand with an example. Students, what is this where the cursor is moving? Yes, this is a boy. You don't know his name, but still you have recognized it because of its category. It means common noun shows the category of proper noun. Similarly, cousin, state, country, pen, fan, dog, monument are the example of common noun. Students, I have taken the same sentences of the proper nouns so that you can differentiate the both type of noun properly. Let's start. Ram and Ravi are my cousin. Cousin is the category of person and here the persons are Ram and Ravi. Next is Uttarakhand is the state of India. State is representing here for the place. I have Reynolds pen. Pen is the category of a thing. My pet's name is Tuffy. Pet is the category of an animal. Taj Mahal and India Gate are the famous monuments. Monuments are buildings and buildings is the category of thing. Let's understand the common noun with the help of some pictures. Students, can you help me to recognize them? Let's start. What is this in the picture number 1? Yes, these are animals. And the second one? Yes, these are boys. And the third one? Right, you can say them children, kids, siblings, whatever you can say them. And the fourth is? Teachers, very good. And the fifth is? Doctors, right. And the last one is? Countries. Very well done, children. Have you seen? We don't know their name, but still we have recognized. Students, now you are able to find out the common noun from these sentences. So let's start. She is a boxer. Yes, boxer is right answer. I have a chocolate. Right, chocolate is common noun. Anirudh is a doctor. Right, doctor is common noun. The dog is licking a bone. Yes, dog is right answer. And the last one is, he is a good cricketer. Absolutely right, cricketer is common noun. Let's move to the next kind of noun, collective noun. What is collective noun? Name of group or class of similar persons, animals, places or the things are called collective noun. Means when we talk about lots of people, animals, places or things in one word are called collective noun. स्टूडेंट, सबसे पहले हमने देखा कि जब हम पर्टिकुलर किसी चीज़ को एक नाम से जानते हैं, चाहे वो पर्सन हो, एनिमल हो, थिंग्स हो, जब हम उसका पर्टिकुलर नेम जानते हैं तो वो कौन सा नाउन हो जाता है? प्रॉपर नाउन। जब हमें उसका नाम नहीं पता होता है तो हम उसको किससे जानते हैं? उसकी कैटेगरी से जानते हैं, जो कि क्या कहलाता है? आपका कॉमन नाउन। लेकिन अगर हमारे पास बहुत बड़ा ग्रुप है, बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में लोग हैं या बहुत ज़्यादा एनिमल्स हैं, तो हम उनको किस नाम से जानेंगे? वो जो एक नाम हम उनको देते हैं वो क्या कहलाते हैं? कलेक्टिव नाउन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, क्राउड। क्राउड इज द गैदरिंग ऑफ पीपल। बहुत सारे लोगों की भीड़ जो होती है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? क्राउड बोलते हैं। नेक्स्ट इज हर्ड। हर्ड इज द ग्रुप ऑफ काउज। पैक। Pack is the group of dogs and wolves. Country is the group of many states. Library is the group of lots of books. And the flock is the group of birds and sheep. Students, now you will be thinking, if there are many dogs, many cows, many books, then why don't we say them cows, books, wolves? हम ये सब क्यों नहीं बोल सकते उन्हें? Because we are not learning here singular plurals. If we have to give them one word, then we have to use the collective noun. अगर किसी ग्रुप को एक ही नाम में अगर हमें डिफाइन करना हो तो हमें कलेक्टिव नाउन की जरूरत होती है. Students, if the collective noun comes in the form of fill-ups, then you have to learn these sentences which are underlined. These are words which are underlined. अगर आपको फिलअप्स के रूप में ये कभी आती है एक्सरसाइज कोई भी आपके एग्जाम में टेस्ट में, तो आपको इस तरह के वर्ड्स लर्न ही करने पड़ेंगे. But if there only you have to recognize them and write its kind, then it is easiest. लेकिन अगर आपको सिर्फ नाउन पहचानना है कि सेंटेंस में नाउन कहाँ है, तो कलेक्टिव नाउन सबसे ज़्यादा इजी होता है. Let's see the example again. You will find a pattern. अगर हम एग्जाम्पल को दोबारा देखें तो हमें एक पैटर्न मिलेगा. कलेक्टिव नाउन ऑलवेज कम्स बिफोर OF ऑफ. जो कलेक्टिव नाउन है, जो अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स हैं आप देख रहे हैं स्क्रीन पे, जो ब्लैक कलर में है और अंडरलाइन है, इस तरह की जो कलेक्टिव नाउन है वो हमेशा OF ऑफ से पहले आते हैं. एंड देयर विल बी ऑलवेज प्लूरल्स आफ्टर ऑफ. और ऑफ के बाद आपको हमेशा प्लूरल्स जरूर मिलेंगे. तो इट विल बी बेनिफिशियल इफ यू फाइंड द पैटर्न. Let's see the more examples of collective noun. There are lots of flowers, which is called bouquet. There are lots of bees, and we can say them swarm, a swarm of bees. There is a group of puppies, and we call them litter. There is a group of player, and group of player is called team. Let's find out the collective noun from these sentences. Students, remember, you have to find out the pattern, okay? First is a pack of dogs running on the road. Yes, pack is right answer. Second is, I have seen a flock of birds. Right, flock is right answer. A herd of cows is crossing the road. Right, herd is the right answer. A bunch of grapes is so fresh. Yes, bunch is right answer. And the last one is, there is a swarm of bees on the tree. Right, swarm is right answer. I hope you all are now able to find out the noun and its kinds. Students, you have to find out the proper noun, common noun and collective noun from these sentences. The first sentence I have done for you as an example. You have to do all the sentence in the similar way. Till then, take care, stay safe. And the more two types of noun, the material noun and the abstract noun, we will do in the next video. Till then, please give your feedback on the comment box. Thank you.